Today on the Only Travel Review Show, we visit the Khe Sanh combat base right here in Quang Tri province. We drove from Dong Hoi to get here and it took us about 5 hours with a short lunch break in between. We stayed for one night in the town of Khe Sanh and accommodation was also really cheap. There's not much to do in this town, so one day should be more than enough to go out and explore this town. The US built this combat base along the Ho Chi Minh Trail during the Vietnam War. The Ho Chi Minh Trail was a supply line which ran from the north of Vietnam, keeping the northern soldiers alive in the south. During the war, it was a maze of routes which ran through the dense jungle, rather than the single paved trail it is today. Despite the intense bombing, the US never managed to destroy the supply line. So with all of that information, let's go explore some more.
What's up guys, I'm Deline from the Only Travel Review Show and I'm here today to give you some more information about this historic area and hopefully convince you to come have a look around here when traveling in Vietnam. Khe Sanh Combat Base borders the demilitarized zone which ran through Quang Tri province, separating the north and the south of Vietnam. It is at this site that the Battle of Khe Sanh took place in 1968, lasting for about 5 months. This was one of the bloodiest battles of the Vietnam War, becoming the focus of global media attention. It now seems that this siege was in fact a diversion to draw US attention away from South Vietnamese centers which were preparing for the Tet Offensive, which started a week later. Today there is a museum on the site, where old photographs and relics of the war are exhibited. However, most of the former base is overgrown by banana and coffee plants. Next time we'll be visiting the town of Hue, so catch us then. Thanks for sticking around to watch this video. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to ring that notification bell. Until next time, stay awesome.